Hi, American Lit. This is week 4. I just want to do a really quick check-in about what's going on this week. So we're going to be starting a 3-week project this week. And for the first step, week 1, all I want you to do is Google Harlem Renaissance art and find 3 pieces of art that really speak to you, really stand out. You like them for whatever reason. You could be a sculpture, oil painting, watercolor, it could be ink or charcoal or whatever you find, Harlem Renaissance art, and you will record the artist's name, where the piece of art can be found now, and medium, what was it that they made it from or out of. And then next week you're going to be finding a poem or a song that goes with that piece of art. So think back at the lynching project that I had to do. I had the art that I found. It was rainbow of colors. It was that family tree of hanging bodies. And then the poem that I found to go with that was Abel Miraple's Strange Fruit. Those two go together. Then the third week you're going to analyze each set and tell me what they have in common. So first week, find the art. Second week, for each piece of art, you'll find a poem or a song. Third week, we'll wrap it up and pull it all together. So can't wait to see what you come up with, and I will talk to you next week. Get a hold of me if you need anything. Bye.